30 years ago, NASA launched a time capsule into space in hopes of contacting extraterrestrial life. I believe that some alien life force sent down video games to attack us.
That makes sense.
We've never faced a threat like this before. We need video game expertise.
Sam Brenner, Pac-Man World Champion.
What's up?
Ludlow Lamonsoff, Master of Centipede.
Also known as
Your worst nightmare!
Eddie Plant, King of Donkey Kong.
Is this for real?
Oh, yeah!
Find the pattern!
I don't know the pattern!
The only way to take down Pac-Man is with ghosts.
You want ghosts? These are your ghosts.
Let's hit it!
Don't tell anybody I killed the Smurf.
Pac-Man's got 10 seconds where he can eat us.
We got this. If we don't, the world ends. We have to take the battle to them. Donkey Kong.
One game you suck at.
May I introduce to you the creator of Pac-Man?
Professor Iwatani, what are you doing?
I will talk to him. He's my son. Hello, my sweet little boy. Look how big you've grown.
It's so sweet. He's so sweet.
You're a good boy.